What is up, guys? Derek here from DW Designs, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Love to have you part of the DW Designs team. All right, guys, let's head into the intro, and then I'll see you afterwards. So, as you can tell, the Bronco is sitting outside, and let me tell you, I am very happy right now because all I'm waiting on at this point is the stupid light covers.
How long have you been working on that, Kevin?
About 4.5 months, Tim. But that's only because I'm doing it the old-fashioned way.
That's all I'm waiting on now. That's it. That's all I got to do. The radiator's back in the Bronco. It's been phenomenally overdone, let me put it to you that way, as far as the radiator goes. The people that we took it to did a phenomenal job, and let me tell you, shout out to La Cadena Radiator Services, because you guys far exceeded my expectations than what you told me you were going to do, and I greatly appreciate it, so shout out to you guys. Well, with that, I did take it for a test drive earlier, guys, so sorry you're not going to be on the first test drive. But we're going to take it out again, and we're going to enjoy it. So let's go take it out for a little bit and make sure everything is working good once more. Make sure it's not overheating. Make sure the brakes are working. Make sure there's no funny noises or anything like that. And then we'll get back here, we'll park it, then we'll just wait on the lights to get here in the next day or so. I thought they were supposed to be here today, but they're not. And then this guy can go home, and then we can go full speed ahead on the Subaru, which is out front, by the way. Don't know if we're gonna get to any of that today. I didn't start this video till later this afternoon. It's like 2 o'clock. I've been working on the Bronco all morning and placing orders for material for the Subaru, and then I had to go to San Bernardino for some more parts for this guy. I had to replace the starter solenoid, which I don't have with me right now, but had to replace that. Turns to find out that was bad too. So, but there we go. So, all right, enough of me rambling on. I'm sure you guys want to go for the ride. So let's go for a ride, and then that'll probably conclude today's episode. It'll be very short and sweet today. So, all right, guys. We are gonna take this thing to the gas station and fill it up since we are on E right now. But hey, we're driving. Listen to the motor. Man, that sounds so good. Oh, this is awesome. Take it to the gas station real quick, like I said, and fill it up with gas. I can't go too far. The tags are not up to date right now. I mean, it's up to date, but the tag itself isn't on the vehicle. So we still got to be careful because I don't feel like getting questioned today. Oh yeah, look at that. Hear that pop. Alrighty. There we go. We're gonna try and shift it here. Ah, that does work. These things are kind of difficult to shift, but we got it. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you go until I get to the gas station, so that way we don't have any problems. So I'll see you guys there. So we're full. Temperature is hot right now, but the fan's not on, so I'm not worried about that right now. It was floating around 210 earlier, so we should be good to go. All right, let's head back to the shop. Woohoo! We are cruising 40 miles an hour right now. We're doing pretty good. This thing is noisy, man. It's got noise all over the place. I gotta figure out what's rattling in the back. It's probably the spare tire carrier or something. Way under shift there, but I can't shift holding the camera at the same time with this car. So, oh boy, please don't pull out in front of me. I'm so happy. Now I gotta downshift. There we go.
That's what she said.
I hope you guys realize how hard this is with a camera in your hand. I really should get a GoPro with a suction cup mount, but can't afford that right now, so we'll stick with this, but very careful with it. Temperature staying at about 210, which is good. Oil, got good pressure. Obviously we're full on fuel. Battery's charging. We are good to go. So, all right, I'm gonna go open the gate. I decided to pull it back in the shop overnight, but as you guys can probably tell, it's idling pretty high right now. So we're gonna adjust that right now, real quick, before we turn it off while it's hot, because that's what really actually matters, is when it's hot. So let me do that real quick. Let me set you down here. That's much better. Now we can go ahead and turn it off. All right, guys. Was that fun or what? I thought it was fun. Maybe I didn't make the video look as fun, but I had fun going to the gas station and back. Everything working great, fantastic. Finally getting the hang of shifting it. Yeah, it's hard to do it when you're holding the camera, but at first I didn't even know how to shift it. I had to figure it out. I'd call Robert and say, hey, how in the heck do I shift these things? I'm used to driving stick shift. It's like stick, but it's on this column instead. So pretty difficult at first, but once you get the hang of it, you know how to do it. So, all right, guys, that's going to conclude today's episode, but stay tuned for tomorrow, because tomorrow we will definitely start on the Subaru. Today was kind of a slow day for me, as well as getting this done. So all we got to do is wait for the lights to come in and we can go deliver it to the rightful owner. So, alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks for joining me today. And I will see you guys tomorrow.